people find the world of investments and pensions utterly baffling and totally boring. 8 in 10 UK adults rate their confidence as low when it comes to opening an investment account. And when the finance industry talks to us, this is what we hear. So where can people go for help? At Boring Money, we've built independent comparison tables helping you to pick the right products and services for your financial goals and life stage. But it's not just about products. Lots of us want help to find the right source of advice too. So this year we've added a whole new section to the website helping you to find the right source of advice to meet your budget and your needs. The voice of the customer sits at the heart of everything we do, and your ratings and reviews, combined with our independent research, help people to pick the right thing for them. 2021 has been a super busy year, and our audience numbers have shot up. So far this year, our site visits are up 150% from our entire 2020 traffic, and monthly users of our comparison tables have more than doubled. We've doubled the size of the team, and in the first 9 months of this year, our website revenues are up more than 15 times from our website revenues in the whole of 2020. And now we're raising money to help fund the next stage of our growth. We haven't rushed this. We've spent the last 5 years listening, really listening to what people tell us they want, what's missing in the market today, and what hasn't worked for them so far. So now we've got 2 things to build. First, we're going to build an app to deliver targeted learning programs and content to private communities of people at common life stages. People worry about similar things at particular times in their life. Our first community is going to be for women in their 40s and 50s. Women who already love Boring Money, but are over people who look like this, talking to them in a language they don't understand about things which simply don't feel relevant to their day-to-day lives. We're building up fun, engaging and interactive content for our communities, content we've been testing with our audience for the last 5 years. So in 2022, we're on a mission to build the Boring Money Investment Club app. Bite-sized chunks of content, articles, quizzes and live interactive webinars. Move from total rookie to pro with people like you and advisors like you there to help and encourage you along the way. We're starting with women, but we won't end there. Lots of other people need our help too. Beginner investors, grandparents, how to engage the teens, sustainable savers, how to get past the greenwashing and actually map your money to your goals. Education and content are really important. But what if the solutions for less confident investors simply aren't out there? Millions of people are keeping their long-term savings in cash because no one is talking their language. We need to do better. Even the regulator has tabled an outcome to reduce the number of people with a higher risk tolerance holding more than £10,000 in cash. That's 8.6 million people in the UK today. When our less confident communities tell us that they can't find what they need, that the right investment solutions simply aren't out there for them, then shock horror, we're going to ask you what it actually is that you want and need. And together, we'll tell the investment industry what to build, building better products and experiences with you and for you. Join us for this next chapter of Boring Money as we build on our successes to date to enable and support better choices for everyone, even people who don't like graphs.